Hey everyone, welcome at day 7. As you guys are learning English with me, so if you haven't watched those previous 6 videos, then I recommend you watch those videos first because we are working step by step. We are working on different tenses. So till date we have worked upon present tense. Actually we are not here. I am not teaching you tense, that how to write down the tense, what is the structure of every tense, but on the basis of tenses how we can make a perfect topic. So we are working upon that. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, just I request to watch those videos first because this could be very much helpful if you watch those videos first. So today we are working upon again present tense, and today's topic is my favorite festival. So you can talk about any of your festival, any of your favorite festivals, but today here I would like to talk about my favorite festival, which is Diwali. Hi there, my name is Sapna Dhamija, one of the IELTS experts and spoken English trainers at your IELTS partner platform. सो आप मेरे साथ इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश की जर्नी को काफ़ी इजी कर रहे हैं. देन बिना टेंसेस को लर्न किए हम यहाँ पर इंग्लिश पर काम कर रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ टॉपिक. सो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है माय फेवरेट फेस्टिवल. सो यू विल लर्न कि कैसे अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस को यूज़ करके और अलग अलग वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके आप इस टॉपिक को प्लान कर सकते हैं एंड देन प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. So first of all, you will listen my topic and then you will choose the vocabulary words from this, and you will even choose some sentences which you like. Then write down topic on your notebook, and then you can even send this topic to me on my WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp group, or on this channel in the comment section where I will check it and then give the feedback. So let's get started. Well, my favorite festival is Diwali. Diwali is a very renowned festival of my country, and this is a very popular, especially in the Hinduism. Diwali is celebrated between October and November because sometimes it occurs in October and sometimes it occurs in November on any auspicious day during these 2 months. Auspicious means Shubh. So you can utilize this word auspicious. Well, Diwali is a very pure festival. It is a very holy festival which is commemorated. Commemorated means celebrated, which is commemorated uh, in in the remembrance of Lord Rama, as Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after 14 years exile. Because of this festival is celebrated, and there is one more history in Sikhism. Because of this, people celebrate this festival too. So there are two particular historical events are associated. So you can use these two words, historical events or associated, कि इसके साथ दो historical events जो है वो जुड़े हुए हैं. That is why this festival is celebrated. Well, on the occasion of Diwali, people feel more active, they are more energetic, and they are very much lively and functional. It means ये लोग बहुत ज़्यादा active feel करते हैं. So you can use these words active, agile, functional, and they are more vibrant as well. So these are the synonym for active, जो मैंने एक separate short भी बनाया है, आप वहाँ से भी ये words ले सकते हो. And few days prior, people start cleaning their homes. They decorate their respective homes. Respective homes means अपने अपने घरों को, अपने अपने. They start decorating their respective homes. They use different designs and cards, and they use different kinds of lights and other artificial material for decorating their homes. So you can use this line also, because during every festival we decorate our homes with different materials, with different designs and lighting as well. So you can utilize this line also in this topic or any other festival any other festival topic. And later on the occasion of Diwali, people start visiting the markets where they roam around, they hang around. Roam around means visiting, wandering, ghumna. They roam around the market and they explore different things over there. They buy some gifts and sweets for their family members. And on the occasion of Diwali, this is said that exchanging of gifts is exchanging of gifts plays a vital role. Vital role means important role. So people generally exchange gifts on the occasion of Diwali. This is considered very good, or this is considered very auspicious. They visit each other's homes, their relatives homes or their friends home, and they exchange gifts with each other, sweets with each other. So you can utilize these lines in any other topic. Later on in the evening, people worship goddess Lakshmi, because goddess worshipping goddess Lakshmi is very important on this day. This is associated with goddess Lakshmi because people believe in that, that on this occasion, when we do worshipping of goddess Lakshmi, then we always be prosper, be healthy. So this is the famous thing which is related to this festival especially. So people worship goddess Lakshmi in the evening when there is a worshipping time with all their family members. And in the end, while having their dinner or doing some parties or festive food or enjoying dance with the family members, in the evening people do fireworks. So fireworks means patake chalana, fuljari chalana. People do fireworks. Some people do fireworks on their own, whereas some people watch other doing fireworks. So in this way, this festival is celebrated everywhere, not only in India but among Indians, when whether they are living in different countries, this is celebrated over there too. So I would say this is my favorite festival, and I really love this. I love celebrating this festival with my family and friends. So what festival you like, just write me down in the comment section, and if you want to write down a complete topic over that, then I will check it for you guys, send it back to me. Thank you so much.